My name is Mohammad Ahmad. I belong to class 8B. Today I am here to explain you what is the conditional sentences. First of all, here, what is condition? The condition is in situations, means halat. In Urdu means halat. Conditional is conditional sentences are those sentences in which you can imagine or it can possible. It is a relationship between action and its result. Now conditional sentences. The simple structure of conditional sentences are simple, present simple tense plus present simple tense. Now I am going to tell you what is a zero conditional. It is the type of conditional sentences. Zero condition. Zero condition are that in which that is a scientific proof that it is a fact or universal truth. Like if sun's down, it gets dark. If rains come, the road gets wet. This is a universal truth, scientific proof. This type of sentences are called zero condition. Now, here, in zero condition, you can use if, when, instead of using if. Like, when water reaches 100 centigrade, it's boil. When you heat ice, it melts. Now, I will call to Sulaiman, come and tells you what is first conditional sentences.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Sulaiman from class 8. Today I am here to tell you about what is first conditional. First conditional is a structure which express a possible condition in probable result in future. It means it assumes that the condition, the situation is real and the result is in future. For example, if I go to Sakhar, I shall buy a newspaper. For example, in these things, if I go to Sakhar, this is a situation and it is real. I shall buy a newspaper and that is not real. It can happen or it can not happen. So these types of the sentence are called conditional sentence. If I go to Sakhar, I shall buy a new clothes. This is if clause. This one is if clause. And in if clause there is a condition. And this is result clause. And result is in future. It can happen or it can happen. If I go to Sakhar, maybe there is something will happen that I cannot buy new clothes. So like these sentences and we use in our daily life, but we don't know about these grammatically. So this is the structure of this sentence. Now I want to call another by Nasir.
Hello everyone, it's me Nasir from class 8B. Today I'm going to tell you the second conditional tense. Actually, we use second conditional tense in imaginary situations, advices, or unlikely situations. For suppose, if you say someone, if I was you, I would not go there. Like these kinds of sentences are called second conditional sentences. Now, in your language, in local language, you mostly use this sentence. अगर मेरा अबू मुझे पैसे देता तो मैं बाजार जाता. Like these kinds of sentences we use in second conditional tense. Now its structure is, first of all we will put if, and after that past simple, and then after we will use would or were. So let's make one sentence and then after I will call them partners. So first of all this is if. Now what I said, अगर मेरा अबू मुझे पैसे देता तो मैं बाजार जाता. Now if my Abu gave me money. Now, listen, I have used this sentence in first class after, like according to this structure. And second would be would or plus verb. If my Abu gave me money, I would go to city. So first of all, I would put this subject and then verb, would, and then verb. If my Abu gave me money, I would go to city. So this is conditional. I'm thinking about it, but my Abu didn't give me money. So these kinds of sentences are called second conditional. Now I would like to call my partner Ryan.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Ryan and I will tell you about third conditional sentence. Third conditional sentence is also called reverse conditional because in this type of sentence we used to talk about past and if this thing is happening and we imagine that result might have been different from that and we talk about past and now the structure of if class we will use past perfect tense in if class. In main class we will use would have and third form of sentence. For example, if I had studied harder, this is past tense and now result class. I would have taken positions in exam. Now second example, if I had bought a car, I would have drifted it. These are examples of third conditional sentence. Now I will call Aslan for mixed conditional.
So my name is Mohammad Aslan and I am here to describe mixed conditional. Mixed conditional, there is no rule in mixed conditional. Like condition 0, there is a present then present, present indefinite present indefinite. And condition 1, present future. And for next condition has no such rule. There is you can use present to past, past to present, future to past. This is the fixed condition. Thanks.